5 back in the
Sure.
so that way.
Now, what are you doing here, Logan? You're feeding this little bird?
Yes. They may be getting ready to put the birds on.
Is it awesome?
So you can go check real quick. But...
This is awesome, huh?
Yes.
I told you.
Let's try.
If you look, Logan, he's molting a little bit in the back. He's molting. That means his feathers are dropping. He'll get new feathers soon. You see that in the back? That's called molting, when they lose their feathers. Go ahead and pet him gently in the back there, just like that. See?
Ow!
He bit you?
Yeah.
Oh, don't pet him. All right. It's all right. He's just hungry. It's very cool, huh? What do you think his name is?
Cockatoo?
A cockatoo. I don't know about that. I think it's a lorikeet, I think. Lorikeet, see? Now you know about lorikeets, yes? Now this is a nectar. This is almost like a juice, almost like from plants, from flowers and things. Little piggy.